Come on, guys, let's just go put these in my room.
Michelle Pryor, she's a teacher. She's about to finish a PhD and hopefully begin a career as a principal.
She loves being by the water. She's a scuba diver. Can you imagine having a scuba diving principal?
Her sons are there part-time, but her other 2 kids have already moved out.
My daughter, Lakin, she's the oldest.
I am the moral support for today, and somebody has to keep her in check.
Right now, let's talk about this house. This is the Parsley house. The house was actually built in 1940. It's a little over 1,800 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's listed for $92,000.
I do like the windows in the front of the house.
I haven't seen windows like that on another house.
No, I haven't either.
Oh,
What is the smell?
It's like vacancy and animals maybe have taken over for a while.
What is up these steps?
It's an attic.
So there's no living space up there. Okay.
No, these are actually the most normal of the stairs in the house.
Wow.
This is tiny.
No. This is terrible.
It's very awkward. What you don't know about is the staircase behind that wall. It's a hidden staircase and it goes to nowhere. Open the door, check it out.
The hinges are rusted.
Oh my gosh. This was an addition, right?
Right.
And so that probably was an exterior door that went up to the attic.
That's crazy.
Let's go see that den.
Oh my goodness, what is this? A dungeon room.
But it's a big and spacious one.
Look, call me crazy, but I kind of like these floors.
Crazy. I do like the windows. I like the view. I can see us all down here, kids running around.
Can you imagine this being a big master suite?
What is it? It's a master bathroom that's off the living room with no bedroom at all.
I don't even know how I feel about this.
But on the other side of this vanity wall is a big storage room. And then on the other side of this shower and toilet wall is a huge laundry room. It'll be great to see this yellow calico become something totally different.
Here it comes. We are ready to peel back some layers on Michelle Pryor's house. We're gonna see what we can uncover.
Look right here.
Oh, shoot. That's...
Look at that.
Oh,
It's just rot and rot and rot. This is
No doubt.
so bad. It goes under the wall. So there's a rotten spot in the kitchen now.
More of
The
the
rot
same.
it keeps spreading.
Jeez. Wall between the kitchen and the dining room gotta come down. We're gonna build a stud wall, support the ceiling, take the wall down, replace floor joists, then subfloors, then floors, then new wall.
What in the world?
This room is gonna be the bathroom / master. This wall's gotta come down. We're tearing a lot of walls out of Michelle's house. Today we're gonna take down the walls in what was a weird bathroom, converting 3 awkward rooms into one amazing master suite. And I kinda wanna build her a bed.
I mean, you could do something with like a pretty big headboard.
Yeah, the ceilings are so high.
This looks awesome. So much better.
Michelle Pryor loves the beach. She loves scuba diving. So imagine a rushed panel. And it's like these ropes that are woven together. So it's
like an old school beach chair.
like an old school chair. It's ropes coming across. All right. You like the color?
I love it. This is perfect.
You see the little triangle
I
on the
love
end?
that.
It was just a little detail, but what it does is it ties it to the bed. No, I didn't think about the windows. I wasn't even trying to do that.
It was hard to at first find the charm in the house, but now it's here and it's everywhere because it felt so dead before and rotten. And now it feels so alive. I'm connecting 46 miles of curtain rod right here. I can't wait for her to see it.
This is the Pryor house.
Oh my God! I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna start crying.
Everything was on a yellow scale. We painted the body of it a deep, dark gray. Took the handrail off from in front of the front door.
That door,
I
just got chills. Oh my gosh!
It's so nice.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It is beautiful. I don't even know what to say. The
I
colors.
wanted everything we did in the house to give you that same feeling you have when you are in your favorite place, when you're by the sea.
Oh my God!
Oh gosh.
Like, I don't even know what to say.
Taking that staircase that was literally just wasted space and bringing it into the kitchen added so much to the kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
Do you remember what it was
Yes.
So this bookcase is the pine out of the staircase. Built this in the shop.
Wow.
Do you see how it's got that diamond shape on the end?
Yeah.
That matches those windows in the front.
Oh my gosh.
I love it. This was the funky bathroom.
This was the
weirdest
weirdest bathroom. Built this headboard in the shop.
You built this,
Yeah.
man?
I learned how to do the rush.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
That's yours.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh. Look at this.
That's beautiful, yes.
You got a master bath with a tub.
Finally have your tub.
I am a soaker. This is perfect.
The
Your master
laundry.
closet and laundry room, yeah.
Yes.
This is perfect.
I always sneak a little gift.
Oh,
Do you remember?
I do.
It's not the Parsley house anymore.
No,
That's
no,
beautiful.
It's all
Our
yours.
house.
Congratulations on your house,
Thank
PhD.
you.
It's a big
For
week.
real.
It's a big week.